Ever wondered how vehicles keep moving safely when roads are covered in snow and ice? That's where anti-skid chains come in, an essential safety solution for winter and extreme driving conditions. Top players include S.p.A with 13%, a global specialist in premium snow chains and traction system. Kitten at 10%, Peerless Industrial Group at 8%, König at 6%, and Nested Netting at 5%. So what does this tell us? The market is led by a few strong engineering and manufacturing specialists, but competition remains widely distributed. Anti-skid chains may be a niche market, but safety-critical demand keeps innovation and competition highly active across global players. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.